Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by exposing the stopper assembly so you can work without guessing. First, remove any visible escutcheon or decorative cap with a flat screwdriver. This reveals the pivot knob and retaining hardware. Once done, wipe the area with a rag and use a flashlight to inspect for a C-clip, screw, or set pin holding the pivot rod. Make sure to have pliers ready. You'll need controlled force rather than brute strength to avoid bending small parts. With the retaining piece exposed, carefully remove the clip or screw using pliers or a screwdriver. The goal is to free the pivot rod without twisting the entire assembly. Once the clip is out, pull the pivot rod straight back while supporting the stopper from below so it doesn't fall into the trap. As you extract the rod, observe how the stopper seats and note any worn bushings or rubber grommets so you can replace them later, which prevents leaks and poor sealing. Now lift the stopper straight up and out of the drain, turning slightly if it resists. Grit and mineral buildup often lock it in place, so clean the shaft and seal thoroughly before reinstallation. When replacing parts, fit the pivot rod, align orientation, and secure with the original clip or screw. Test the flip action and check for a watertight seat. If the assembly is seized, apply a little penetrating oil, wait 10 to 15 minutes, and gently work it free. Avoid
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.